Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a VPN not working in Windows 10 as well as Windows 11. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all right click on a start menu and go to your device manager. Click on a view option and click on a show hidden devices. After that, go to your network and first of all select a VPN mini port IP and IPv6 and as well as PPTP. So uninstall it, right click on uninstall. Now once again go to your select a VAN mini port IPv6, click on uninstall. After that selected a VPN mini port PPTP. After uninstalling that, scan the hard drive. After that, close it and restart your computer. And I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that go to your desktop, right click and go to your new and click on a shortcut. After that, select a C column / Windows / System 32 / rsphone.exe. Click next to continue. Select a name like is VPN. Click finish. Open it. Select a workplace network. Now type internet address and destination name. After that, type a internet address and destination places. Click on a create, and I hope after doing this step your problem is fixed. Thank you for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.